All right, so welcome back, and we are now looking at some 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Yes, we have gone from Thursday multiplying 2 digits by 1, Friday and Monday multiplying 2 digits by 2 digits, and now today we are adding another digit. So just like before, we're going to make those easy estimates so that we can compare and at least have a relatively good idea of how many place values we're talking about when we're talking about a number, so that we can decide if it's somewhat reasonable. Remember that the farther away we get from our exact number, the bigger the increase in the difference between your estimated answer and your actual answer. So that's just something to remember. Okay, let's get started. Just like I was doing on yesterday's practice, I'm choosing to use a pen for my estimate so I can keep my estimates separate from my pencil work for my exact. So I'm going to use turquoise today. And when I make these easy estimates, again, they need to be quick and easy, and so I'm going to choose to make an easy estimate to 100. So this would be 700, and this would be 51. Now that I've got that quick and easy estimate, if I know 5 times 7 is 35, I know 5 times 70 is 350, 5 times 700 is 3,500, and 50 times 700 is 35,000. So what that tells me about my answer is that I am talking about thousands instead of just 1,000. Okay, so we're talking about something close to 35,000. Okay, I'm going to pick up my pencil, and just like we were doing on Thursday, we know that we can multiply the digit in the ones place by all of these digits, regrouping when necessary. So we're going to do that first. That's 1 times 6, which is 6, 1 times 1, which is 1, and 1 times 7, which is 7. And that makes absolute sense because 716 times 1 is going to be 716. The next thing we would want to do would be to cross out any numbers we needed to regroup, and we did not need to regroup any for this first part of our problem. Then I would put down my 0. So I'm going to cross out my 1, I'm done with that, and put down my placeholder. Make sure that your 0 is nice and close so you know it's a 0 and not another number. Now it's the 5's turn. The 5 is going to start with the digit in the ones place, then the digit in the tens place, and then finally the digit in the hundreds place, regrouping when needed. So 5 times 6 is 30. So record your 0 and carry your 3 to the next place value right on top of the 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 more makes 8, and 5 times 7 makes 35. Writing neatly will ensure that you have each number lined up with its appropriate place value. And now that we have 2 partial products, we're ready to quickly add. So 6 plus 0 is 6, 1 plus 0 is 1, 7 plus 8 is 15, 1 plus 5 is 6, and 3 plus nothing is 3. So our actual answer is 36,516, which is a very reasonable number to our estimate of 35,000. I'll see you back for 271 times 12 next.